Here's how to create vault in 1Password. Let's get to it. So first you need to go with the dashboard page of 1Password, log into your account. After that, under home, you're going to find this vaults on the right hand side. You can click on this new vault button in order to create a new vault. You would be able to change the icon by pressing on this drop down, and then you can change one of these icons like this. Then you need to name the vault, something like this. Description is optional, but up to you. You can add it and then create the vault from here. And that's it. Our vault has been created. We can view the vault by clicking on this button. There you go. Now you can add a new item from here, like add passwords, login, etc. And if we go back to the dashboard page, vaults, we are going to see our vault here in home. We can also see our vault over here. We can press on this cog icon, and then we should be able to import the data from different browsers or password managers. Now, maybe you've got the 1Password desktop app installed on your PC. Now you can see in vaults, we have got these two vaults. The one that we created on the web, we have got it over here as well. Now, if you want to create a vault on the app as well, we just need to press on this plus icon. Then the same thing, you can change the icon, add the name in this field, and you can type in the description, but it's optional. Just press on this create button. And that's it. We have now created another vault, but this time on desktop app. Now, if you go over to the home page of Password Manager, the 1Password, you're going to find this vault that we created using the desktop app over here. And yeah, that's it. That's how to create a vault in 1Password. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with the like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more 1Password related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.